Salam and welcome back to another very exciting tutorial. My name is Visha and today I'm going to show you a very simple way to remove a background from an image in 3 minutes. This is going to be the first video of the 3-minute series. If you like this series, if you think I deserve more support, then please go ahead and subscribe. That would mean a lot. And leave a comment too. I tend to reply all the comments these days because what else is there to do? Okay, I've wasted enough time already, so let's get started. Alright, first things first, insert the image by dragging it onto the Photoshop. Now go up here and select the magic wand tool, press the background, right click, select inverse, and zoom in here. Use the lasso tool to get back the parts that you couldn't select. And when you're done, just go down here and press the add layer mask. Now you'll get some fringes. You can remove that really easily by right clicking the layer mask, select layer mask, and shifting the edge to the minus side, maybe up to -80, and increase the feather amount up to maybe 1, and press OK. There you go. So now if you want to use this in another picture, you can just drag in the picture and you can drag this layer into the picture and just release here and maybe shrink it down. Control T. I'm pressing Alt and Shift and decrease in the size. Press Enter. And you can go to Image, Adjustments, Curves. You can increase the brightness. Press OK. Go to Image, Adjustments again, and go to Hue and Saturation. I'm going to decrease the saturation amount to blend it out a little bit. So there you go. That's removing a background in 3 minutes. Now if you guys like the video, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't already. Help me get to 500 subscribers. Alright, so hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.